हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम इन आवर न्यू वीडियो। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट Salesforce CRM। Salesforce Customer Relationship Management CRM is one of the most widely used cloud-based CRM platform in the world. It helps business manage customer interactions, automate workflows, and improve overall efficiency. With a powerful suite of applications and a highly customizable architecture, Salesforce has revolutionized how organizations interact with their customers. Salesforce CRM is a cloud-based software that enables businesses to manage customer interactions, sales pipelines, marketing campaigns, and support services. It centralizes customer data and provides a 360-degree view of customers, making it easier for organizations to analyze customer behavior, personalize experiences, and improve retention. Salesforce was founded in 1999 by Mark Benioff, Parker Harris, Frank, and Dave. The company pioneered the software as a service SaaS model, which allows users to access applications via the cloud rather than traditional on-premises installation. Let's talk about Salesforce CRM products. Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud helps business manage leads, contacts, accounts, opportunities, and sales processes. Service Cloud, customer support and case management solution that enables business to provide excellent customer service. Marketing Cloud, platform for digital marketing automation, email marketing, and customer journey management. Commerce Cloud enables business to provide seamless e-commerce experience. Analytics Cloud provides data visualization and business intelligence capabilities. Community Cloud facilitates collaboration among customers, partners, and employees through branded online communities. App Exchange, marketplace for third-party applications and integrations that enhance Salesforce functionality. AI-powered Einstein Analytics uses artificial intelligence to deliver predictive insight and automation. Customization and development allows business to build custom applications using Salesforce priority language like Apex and Visual Force. Integration capabilities connects with third-party applications through APIs and middleware solutions. Salesforce CRM operates a multi-tenant cloud architecture, ensuring high availability, scalability and security. आज के लिए इतना ही, फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग आवर वीडियोस। बाय।